He almost caught me today.
My bestie, my bestie.
I almost caught him today. This is our bestie cover on the cast. We need something new.
New like what?
Like a brother to me.
He is not like a brother to her.
No. How about just a friend?
He is not just a friend to her.
Big head.
His head is not big.
Jesus.
My twinny.
Brother in the Lord.
Pardon me. My G's partner.
Holding my hand.
School father.
A controversial phenomenon.
You a dropout. You a dropout.
Funny guy.
Which day start comedy? Cab guy. Benz as cab. Fuck.
Ha! We don't use everything, so which we go use now?
I beg.
Look at make good suggestions now, I beg.
They are not her parents.
What did I want to talk? So look me there, yeah.
Wait.
Babe, meet my parents.
Bombastic side eye.
So you think I'm dumb, baby? You come here. This guy is too fast.
Funny bros, you know the rest, you know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest, you know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest, you know the rest.
Brother Joseph, have you tried calling the bride again?
Pastor, 2 minutes ago.
Please call her back. We don't have time. Or do you want us to wait you by 9 p.m.?
Chidadi, our people are only qualified to guide pipeline.
Hello, Kim.
Yes, darling. Babe, I will be there soon. You know women stuffs now. Just give me 5 minutes. I'm coming.
Years old man.
God have go. Oh no. Pastor, she's coming.
If this one did not go home, make them share that. Make everyone chop go now.
God have mercy upon us.
Everybody in this front seat, go.
Which one?
I think the front seat talk am now.
I beg. Hope you first do wedding. If you dey get more swing, put them for your pocket. If they wear coats like monkey.
From here. Lawan. Go. Okay, you look everybody here. Say now we talk am. So you know what make a top price for this wedding? Bet me, if this wedding hold, make I buy. Okay, oh no. Go 1.5 for what? For Charlie 2.5. So I'm too small to control you.
Say now one thing must I swear to God, I'm ready to die.
Excuse me, man. You know it's a wicked word. In case you need anything about cars, like car repairs, car painting, auto diagnostics, pre-purchase inspection, key and ECU programming, just contact us. Josh Automobile Services. We are the best. This is our number. You can call us anytime.
Oh, okay, I'll call.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations. Now you are happy. Praise the Lord! Hallelujah! Hallelujah! No, not yet. Today I join the both of you as husband and wife.
In a small people.
So, where is the wedding ring?
Pastor, please excuse me. I have this thing bothering me.
Okay, young lady, speak up.
That has been the reason I've not accepted this proposal. Anywhere I step in, school, church, something gets missing.
Run.
The last one that happened, I almost got born. Pastor, I'm tired. I don't know what to do. Please help me.
Young lady, there is no saying that my God cannot forgive. That is the spirit of stealing. By the count of 3, that spirit of stealing will leave you. 1.
God have mercy upon us.
2. Now, young man, listen. We are not here for jokes. Brethren, this is distraction. Don't be distracted. By the count of 1, I command you spirit to leave this body now. Where's my hanky?
Hello to Engineer Biko. Yes, obey.
Young lady, what's all this?
Honey.
When I remember the goodness of God.
Honey, you know what you promised me, promise you save me forever and ever, honey.
It's very shameful for you to accept that.
I'm just by the gate now. I'm close to your house.
Good evening. Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. I am Pastor Agbari, and this is Evangelist Ovi.
Okay, good evening.
Yes. And happy Easter in advance.
Same to you.
Yes. Actually, madam, I don't do this.
Okay.
But God told me that it is time for me to start His work. So He said I should win souls to Him. So that's why I said, as I have met a sister, I said I need to tell you that Christ died.
I'm in front of your gate. I'm in front of you.
Christ died, and He really wants us to really give
your life to Christ?
our life to Christ. You understand?
Have you give your life to
So
Christ?
So if you
Okay,
don't
you block me and they talk to me. You are in front of my gate. Come inside now.
I'm sorry. He was trying to preach the gospel.
who it be?
He's my boyfriend.
You never put money for your head.
But that's actually not your business.
So let's forget about the fornication or the sin that you have committed. It is high time for you to give your life to God.
Okay, they talk to my girlfriend. Allow her enter inside house. She can't see me. I don't understand you. Oh yeah, come on, go inside now.
Chief, what did worry you? You want wrong? You want wrong? Now you call me enter the gospel. Now you call me.
No.
I want to deliver. So, chill, relax. Don't
Wait,
worry.
just tell me it's a prank.
You want me set?
What is going on?
You want me set? You want me set? They preach, they give person, they.
For my front of house.
God not your mate. When I pick you, now I drop you.
Babe, just tell me it's a prank. Tell me it's a prank.
I just met them. I don't know them.
I'm upset now. Tell me it's a prank.
Upset. I'll finish you. See they worry you. After you don't give your life to Christ, you want to give her now later.
What is in the world I've not heard?
You have not heard.
Okay. Excuse me. We are not here for. You are a preacher, right? Yes. Come tomorrow. Come and preach for us. Come. Nonsense. Only the first person.
Mama, I beg you.
How is it stop now?
What is this?
Don't sit.
You give your life to Christ before they injure you.
Before you go injure me?
Yes, now.
Is it my fault? Is it my fault? What are you doing?
Don't sit.
Oh, what are you doing? This is my boyfriend. Go back. What is all this?
You.
Why are you creating a sin?
I don't want to make this one give you life to Christ.
Give your life to Christ.
You.
It's okay. Don't let the Holy Spirit give you so much.
I'll finish you.
This is my fault.
It's charge.
What is this?
No, let's go to church.
What is church? What is going on?
Let's go and let you know.
You already win your soul to
When?
This soul must be delivered. God not be anybody late. just cannot be anybody. Follow out! So I see you near this girl. Finish you. Happy Easter.
Hey! Now so they got to be win souls for Christ now.
Agent of laughter, that ghost guy. Boss! Open door for her. This sound very fast, very fast. Open door for her. Who are you?
It's me now, Sam Skid.
Show us your verification badge.
See, bro, I was verified for 5 years, but yesterday TikTok took my verification away. Out! Chai! TikTok, you do me this one.
If you
don't, you dey block me. I dey talk to. You are in front of my gate. Come inside now.
I'm sorry. He was trying to preach the gospel.
Who it be?
He's my boyfriend.
You never put money for your head.
But that's actually not your business.
So let's forget about the fornication or the sin that you have committed. It is high time for you to give your life to God.
I dey talk to my girlfriend. Allow her enter inside house. She can't see me. I don't understand you. Oh yeah, come on, go inside now.
Chief, what worry you? You want wrong? You want wrong? Now you call me enter the gospel. Now you call me.
Hello.
I want to deliver. So she relax. Don't
wait,
worry.
just tell me it's a prank.
You want me set?
What is going on?
You want me set? You want me set? They preach, they give person, they.
For my front of house.
God will dominate.
Hey!
Hello, pretty. How are you?
I'm okay.
I'm okay. So, where are you coming from? The gym? Like you're a wrestler? Triple H, is that you? I'm a Mysterio.
In a smoky book.
Anybody that loves wrestling, you know that I, am Mysterio, love SmackDown. 619. So from the gym, where are you heading to?
So I park my car.
Is it far?
Not too far from here.
Good. So do you mind if I accompany you? You give me your number, one of these days we'll walk.
Sure. But my phone is not here, it's in my car, it's far. I can't record the number, it's a missing. So when we get down, we'll see.
Okay, no problem, let's go.
Funny bros, you know the rest, you. Funny bros, you know the rest, you. Funny bros, you know the rest, you. Funny bros, you know the rest,
My headset. I forgot it at the gym.
At the gym?
Yes. I have to go back and collect it before it gets lost.
Okay, no problem, let's go. Let's go. Oh no! We'll be 1.5 for what? For Charlie 2.5.
What is that Charlie boy? So I'm moving on to Charlie boy. I am moving on to back. You say they wise.
That's the headset.
Oh, the headset? Oh, good.
So we have to go back to where the car is parked so I can give you the number.
Okay, fine, let's go. Let's go.
God have
Oh God. What?
What's all this? I forgot my car key.
Your car key?
Yes. I forgot it at the gym too. Let's go get it.
Okay, let's go.
Hope I'm not stressing you.
No, let's go.
This man. Hey!
God have mercy.
Hello? 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 The thing is not too far from here. We can go get it.
Oh yeah, let me go. Oh yeah.
Oh no, it is very shameful. 1 point, you pay 1.5. For what? Was tiny 2.5.
Wake up, my brother, make you know they sleep. Oh.
Excuse me. I want to ask you something. The track that you are following now in life, is that the track that you wanted to follow when you are small?
No.
That means the track you are following in life is not your track.
Yes.
That means you thief the track. Because I have noticed that you are attractive.
Another one.
Another one.
But they pepper me this night because one of them go betray me.
Master, na me? Master, na me?
Master, na me?
Master, na me?
Na the person wey go first of all dip him hand for the plate to take meat. Na go betray me. Judas, what do you want to do am quick? But remember say instead of batting to apple for where the rain go fall, before you go reach where if you wan betray me, you go die because that meat I don poison am.
Master, no be so Bible talk am o.
I know, but I don change my mind. Die my die.
Hey!
I'm unavailable.
Desi, you were in school yesterday, what happened?
I was not feeling too well.
I saw you there. Well, bro, you missed it.
What could I have missed?
My sister did not come to school yesterday.
Well, I'm sure by now some of you know that I won't be able to attend today's class. Unforeseen circumstances.
And not just that, he also said that.
Enjoy yourself, okay?
I lie.
It's a free class, free day. Have fun. And to those of you that were not in attendance, yes, you.
Bombastic side eye.
Yesterday?
Yes. Even fast called us.
Remember, education is key. Davido called us.
Whiskey came.
Not be juju be that.
Es mentira no puedo creerlo.
Es cierto. Even science teacher begin. Give English standard tabele.
So, because you teach reproduction, you think it's proper for your son to practicalize the biological biodegradation of my daughter.
Grammatical.
By the time I'll be done with you, you would have a hulabaloo to feel from.
English teacher? Even Tupac came. Tupac! He came back yesterday.
I remember Mr. Magic Flash.
Jesus. Wait. So you mean all of this happened yesterday and nobody bothered to call me? But you said you were sick now. I was not sick. I was okay. I was healthy as a horse. I only wanted to stay home to play video games.
I can't be. You said no go cash you, Abi. You say you wise, but you're gonna see your back ear. To everyone that participated, thank you very much. Whiskey, Fouls, Davido, Timeless.
Shake
me. They go prepare for your show now. Tupac, you feel they go now. And as for you, Oswald, you don't tell yourself say that to the frustrates me now you like, Abi.
Hey, madam.
To waste my school fees.
That's how these boys behave.
What I go do you today? Go let's say they watch film and not get part 2.
They act all innocent, but they are really two-faced.
I didn't wait for you, they come as.
Like a debia.
They come as. You gonna use to take Nagram.
Hello, Osapolo. Come meet me for number 2, Osayuki Street. I won't pack everything I buy for my baby.
Pack everything.
What do you want? What do you want again?
When I say, remove everything.
Not be juju be that.
Daddy, that's your begin. Hello, go listen.
Bro, I see boy from inside the house.
Frame! Scatter! What happened now? My babe say she won't break up with me.
I'm a babu. I stay in the zoo.
Jesus.
I don't understand. Like, what's all this? This children will not kill me. This children will not kill me. This children will not kill me. Jesus! Even my hair.
Now you bang. Osapolo, bring that to come and see. Alpha, bro. The room don't empty, oh. She no forget anything.